Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of smartphone technology, where innovation seems to be the name of the game. But amidst all the flashy upgrades, there's one element that often gets overlooked: the battery. Yes, over the years, smartphones have become more powerful, more sleek, but the battery? Well, it's been pretty much the same old story. However, hold on to your hats because Samsung is shaking things up with the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, you might be thinking, what's the big deal? Well, let me tell you. While the S25 Ultra is getting its fair share of upgrades, it seems like battery life capacity isn't one of them. But fear not. Samsung has a trick up its sleeve: AI. That's right, they're bringing artificial intelligence into the mix to supercharge battery performance. According to insider info from Sawyer Glock, Samsung initially planned to beef up the battery size and charging speeds. But hey, plans change, and now they're focusing on keeping costs down while still delivering top-notch performance. So, the S25 Ultra might sport the same battery size as its predecessor, the S24 Ultra, but with AI wizardry, we could see a 5 to 10% boost in battery life. Not too shabby, right? But wait, there's more. In a surprising twist, it seems like Samsung is saving some goodies for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Stacked battery technology, anyone? This denser battery promises more power without bulking up the size, but it does need a cooldown. So, while we might have to wait for the S26 for this innovation, it's definitely something to look forward to. Now, let's talk chips, not the kind you snack on, but the kind that powers your phone. Samsung's Exynos lineup has had its ups and downs, but with the Exynos 2400, things are looking up. And get this, rumors are swirling that Samsung might ditch AMD and develop its own in-house GPU for the Galaxy S26. Talk about taking control of your destiny. But hey, what about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4? Qualcomm's latest and greatest might come with a price hike, but with Samsung's optimization magic, we could still see some impressive power efficiency. And speaking of efficiency, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip showed promising improvements in battery life. So, even if the S25 Ultra's battery capacity stays the same, we could still see some gains in longevity. In a nutshell, Samsung is cooking up some exciting stuff for the Galaxy S25 and beyond. From AI-powered batteries to in-house GPUs, the future is looking bright and long-lasting for Samsung devices. But hey, enough from me. What do you think about all these developments? Are you excited about the S25 lineup? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more juicy tech updates. Until next time, peace out.